Shatrughan Sinha shares about cheating on Poonam Sinha and Reena Roy. Will love triangles ever be right? Watch here. Bollywood for all times has been the stage for extravagant love stories, but very few real tales could meet the intensity of Shatrughan Sinha's passionate love. Recently, the veteran actor has opened up about the days of his two-timers when he admitted to being romantically involved with his wife Poonam Sinha and co-star Reena Roy at almost the same time in his life. In an interview, Shatrughan talked quite openly about his various emotional journeys. He said, I did garish mistakes in my life. I don't know how to handle a lot of things. Coming from Patna, he lost himself in the glitz and glamour of the industry. Nobody took the trouble to bring me along the stardom pathway or tell me how to handle it. His advent to stardom in the 1980s with Reena Roy in movies such as Kalicharan, Milap and Chor Ho To Aisa and hit torchbearers united them on screen in a wonderfully specialized manner, which translated to an ugly love affair outside of it. However, all of that was pale in dying Shatrughan's announcement regarding marrying Poonam Sinha. Love, guilt, and lessons learned. He admitted that he had felt a lot of guilt towards these relationships with his wife. When you are with your lover, you feel guilty about your wife. When you are with your wife, the entire two relationships begin taking a toll on his physical and mental health. Besides, he expressed gratitude to Reena Roy, saying, I have no complaints. She gave me love and a lot of learning. I thank her for everything that she brought into my life. Even with gratitude, the burden of guilt weighed heavily on him. Why am I treating her like a toy? He asked, hinting at moral dilemmas he faced. It's not the women who suffer, the man also suffers. He chapped, shedding light rather amusingly on the emotional complexities of the dilemma he added. Even when a man wants to get out of the situation, he forcibly grapples between getting out. It is not easy for anyone at any angle anyway. The veteran actor disclosed an extremely touching episode from his life as well as his memoir, Anything But Khamosh, just hours before he was set to marry Poonam. He was in London performing at a stage show with Reena Roy. In reflection on that occasion, Shatrughan added, at times in life, there comes a juncture where one finds it hard to decide, but once a decision has been made, it may not at all be favorable for everyone concerned. While Shatrughan Sinha went on to create a life with Poonam Sinha, his past with Reena Roy remains that haunting chapter. The actor gives credit to Poonam for helping him through the troubled waters of stardom, saying, after Poonam came into my life, she was a great help to me. Shatrughan Sinha's story is not only a saga of love and heartbreak, it's a reflection of the complexities that come along with fame and relationships. His frankness in handling a few admissions about himself and the toll that these things took on everyone gives cause for applause.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.